$6 for 6.1 miles. No sirski. For all my folks out there who accept every single order that DoorDash sends them, feel sorry for you. We got $13.50 for 1.4 miles. And I'm already loaded up. Before I got it going on today. These Walmart employees really on point today. So let's go ahead and get this one dropped off. Offer $4.50 for 7.7 miles. So check this out. That's bad miles to money ratio for one. For two, you got to consider, are there any restaurants with orders once I drive that 7.7 miles? Right here, we got $6 for 7.1 miles. Again, it's taking you out to the sticks. There's no restaurants out there. That's why they order all the way over here. Now you're gonna be driving 7 miles back for $6. That's a 14-mile round trip for $6. And it's gonna take you more than a half hour on that order. Don't take off. You're not gonna be able to be profitable taking offers like these. Now, DoorDash has the most offers in most markets, but that don't mean you have to take all of them offers. You can cherry pick. What's this? 725, 4.9 miles. That's a lot better. Still not what I like, that's a lot better though. 725 for 5 miles, that's a 10-mile round trip. You understand what I'm saying? 10-mile round trip. Now, still not a good offer, but at least there's a possibility for a hidden tip on that one. At least with that one, you got a chance that you might get $1 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, but that's still not, that's not good business. If you spend your whole shift taking offers like that, 725 for 5 miles, hoping that it go to $10, you're not gonna make no money. You're gonna run your car in the ground, $6 going 7 miles, no. That's a 14-mile round trip. So I'm a teacher, I'm gonna help you maximize, and I'm gonna show you which offers to take, and I'm gonna explain how to get into certain programs. Look at this, we got a Grubhub offer. Let's see what Grubhub got. Grubhub got $5.33 for 1.5 miles. That's not a super great offer, but that's keeping me in my zone. And that's a merchant where I know the order is more likely to be ready. So I'm gonna go do it. I'm right here. Qdoba is right there across the street. DoorDash, Qdoba, and Pancheros, $11.50 for 4 miles. That's not a bad offer. And with all the other offers they sent me, I might just take, I'm gonna go ahead and take that one, because that's a good offer. And I'm gonna stack it with this other Qdoba offer. So now I got 3 offers being selective. Guaranteed $16.50, $17, all 3 of these orders combined. Possibility that it may go up, but guaranteed $17 by being selected. Let's head on over across the street to Qdoba, pick up 2 orders from there, and then we're gonna pick up 1 from Pancheros, which is directly across the street from those. So they want me to go to the 3rd floor pediatric receptionist desk for a $2 tip. I got a stack, $11.50, and one of the orders is a hand to me. And I get there, it's talking about 3rd floor receptionist. Now I was okay when I thought it was just to leave at the door, but you're talking about 3rd floor pediatrics hold on, man, this is $2. No, it's not happening. What I did was I clicked, I can't hand the customer, and I'm heading over to this other delivery. They got, you know, a nice tip on it. This customer is a nice, respectable person. I'm gonna go ahead and get them their food. And this other order, I'm gonna be back over there and I'm gonna leave it at the bottom floor, because I don't know. I'm not going to no 3rd floor for $2, no. No, talking about 3rd floor. Let's just leave that right there. Alrighty, first hour down. I got a $13.50 order done on Walmart Spark. I accepted an $11.50 on DoorDash. It was a stack. One of them was $5.50. That second one turned out to be $8.50. Nice, so that's 14 bucks there. We looking at $27.50. Then I got a $5 Grubhub order done. That makes our first hour total. Oh, what's this? An additional 5 at Noodles and Company? Nah, I don't want additional 5 at Noodles and Company. So that makes, so we got 27 there, and then I got a $5 Grubhub also that I got done within that hour. $32 and some change. First many miles was that? $12.05 for 4.8 miles at Noodles and Company, taking me right down the highway, and there's plenty of restaurants over there. Let's get it done. What's that? $7.46 for 8.5 miles? No. Next order is gonna be $10.25 for 3.9 miles right here at Chick-fil-A. But Walmart is getting pretty busy, and they $10 Chick-fil-A. It turns into $11.25. $6 for 6.1 miles. No sirski. For all my folks out there who accept every single order that DoorDash sends them, feel sorry for you. Go ahead, check in for an update. We are 2 hours in. The time is now 2 o'clock. $25.25 on DoorDash and 19 bucks. Ooh, actually with unconfirmed no, so that's 26. Nice. So 26 on Walmart Spark and 25.25 on DoorDash. So that is $51.25 if I'm not mistaken. And I did do a $12 Uber. We can add 12 bucks to that, so that's $63.25. Hopefully it goes up a little bit more, but $63.25, 2 hours of work. That's over $30 an hour. So we're doing pretty good. It's slow right now. I've been sitting for about 5 minutes. Everything's starting to slow up, but I'm gonna give it a little second, see if we can crank out a couple more hours and see how we do for a little 4-hour run. Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This is how you get money out here. You got a multi-app. If you try to just depend on one app, you won't be able to accomplish your goals, or they'll dick you around and have you all over the place. They will literally send you anywhere for scrap. And I'm here to tell you, you do not have to take every order. Be selective. Don't let DoorDash, Uber, Grubhub, Walmart, don't let them manipulate you into thinking that you have to take everything and you have to take orders that's not profitable. Only take orders that are profitable. So today I've worked for 2 hours and I've only taken orders that are profitable for me.
2 hours later.
Man, that last order kind of got on my nerves. $6.49, what was that, for 4.2 miles? Ain't no way I'm doing that. After refusing 3 or 4 or 5 orders, I don't know how many it was. I finally got hit with this order right here. $7.50, 5 miles, 6 items at Chili's. So I said, you know what, I'll take it. We already here, so. I like Chili's, they bring it on out to you. All you gotta do is wait in the car, so it's cool. Sometimes they be a little busy, but you know what, it's cool. I only got 2 more hours to go. I wanna see how much I can make in just 4 hours. So we gonna go ahead and take these easy deliveries. Get this one done. I gotta get back. I got a meeting. I gotta get back. I have a meeting with, so I got 2 more hours to work. So we're gonna see how much we can make in 4 hours. Got that order dropped off, handed it directly to the customer. See how much that pays. $8.50. Not bad. DoorDash back up to their usual nonsense. I got that order dropped off, you know, no issues there. But you know, I'm heading back and you know, of course they had to hit me with about 4 or 5 trash offers. First one was $6.50 for 6.4 miles. Like, and that's not even counting the fact that it's gonna be a 6-mile drive back once I did complete that one. So that was a hard pass, no. And then we got a no tip order, $2.75 pizza order. So you know how them pizza people be. Oh, I'll tip you when you get here. Yeah, right. That's for the birds. Not doing that. So the next one was $7.50 for 8 miles. You know, negative miles to money ratio, classic DoorDash. So we're gonna just go ahead and leave all of those alone. I actually just declined another one, and hopefully we get something that's worth taking. Got about 2 more hours to go, then we're gonna be calling it a night. And look at this custom. You got $10.25 for 8.8 miles. One customer ordered 2 things. $6 in total tip for an 8-mile drive. Really 17-mile drive because you have to drive 8 miles back. Ain't no restaurants out there. That's why they ordering from over here. Nope, they do not respect delivery drivers. You get your food yourself. $7.75 for 5.2 miles. Don't take this offer. You will not make no money. You do 2 of those in an hour, that's 14 bucks. That's not counting gas. Next offer of the night, we got $6.50 for 3.4 miles. Almost was a decent offer, but for 3.4 miles, I need to be shown $7 or more because that lets me know if DoorDash is showing me 3 miles, anything over 3 miles, it should be more than $6.50. The algorithm will show you more of the tip. The further the distance is, the more of the tip the algorithm will show you. So that's all that's on there. That's a hard decline, no sir. DoorDash drivers make 70 to 80% of their money on tips. On this offer, we got $5.50 for 2 miles. Some may say, hey, that's a good offer. 2 to 1 miles to money ratio. No, that's a $2 base pay and it's been declined so many times that it went up to $5.50. If I waste 15 minutes on that order and I do 4 of those in an hour, I done barely made $20 and I done probably used $10 in gas. Finally got a halfway decent offer. $12, 6 items, 3.7 miles. Chipotle and Panda Express. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Alrighty, after sitting for about 15 minutes, I finally just got my next offer. We got $7.75 for 5.3 miles, but it's actually a little bit less than that because if you take a look at that map, they called me over to this restaurant. So, like DoorDash say, I'm the best dasher for this order, looking ass. So we finna slide on over here. Hopefully this one go up to about 10 bucks. Cause I'm trying to get at least one more order done after this. I don't care if it's a Grubhub or Uber or DoorDash. And then at least I can get 20 bucks for this last hour. So let's go ahead and get this one picked up. Pick up some pizzas. We got a $10 50-cent tip on that one. $11 what was shown, 13 what we got. Let's get it. Go ahead and wrap this video up there. We did pretty good. I was able to make $42 in this second part of my shift. So for the first half, I made about $62 or $63 if I'm not mistaken. And for the second 2 hours, I made $42. So total in all, that's at least 104, 105 bucks. We did it in 4 hours. I mean, I'm just out here maximizing. Like, this is what I do every day. I'm out here 3-4 hours at a time trying to make my $100. Now, if I can come out here, you know, 2 or 3 times a day, cool. Sometimes I might come out once, get my 100, go back home. Sometimes I come out in the morning, come back out later on in the evening. But today, you know, I got things to do.